Hello everybody, welcome back to Skill Web. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to highlight text in Adobe InDesign. So let's get started the video. Click and drag to select the text you want to highlight. To create the highlight effect, click on the character panel. If you don't see the character panel, you can open it by going to Window, then Type and Tables and click on Character. Now click on these three lines and select Underline. Again click on these lines and now select Underline options. A dialog box will open. From here, increase the underline weight and set the offset to center. Click on Color and choose the color you want. After everything is set, click on OK. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.